Introducing the 2017 Ford F-150. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value as a pre-owned model. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, and much more. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report indicating just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.